Hey Danny, everyone, my vlog. This is day 6, and now I got my major area done. Now it's basically trimming. The outside there, I gotta get 32 inches, which means I gotta trim that, and then I need to get a piece to the inside, that lower section, because I want that so that trough, the water rolls right onto the metal off that trough. So, and then from there, hopefully, I can get the peak done. Getting the cap on there. I'm not really. I don't really have an issue with trying to get the side ridge on there, but I definitely want to see how far I can get, because you can see that as it goes up the trough. I want to get that cut as well. So I'm fighting the weather. Tomorrow is going to be snow. Got a little bit of wind today. That'll definitely be fighting. But other than that, I think everything's going to go pretty smooth. So let's get rocking and rolling here. My lights on. Let's see. I needed 2 pieces. I need 3 pieces that are 32. That are 32 long. Ding, 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 ding. 3 pieces of 32. Why is my... What's back there? Rock and roll. Come on, get over out of my way. You can see as well. Jesus. Okay. Just under 30. 31s and a halves. My glasses. Banging my head on the kickbox. Oh, shoot. I know, playing with a machine that doesn't have a guard on it. I also needed a piece that was 2 feet long, right? If I'm not mistaken. Oh! Wow! That couldn't have worked out better. Oh, nice. All right. Sweet. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I need a piece of, I need another piece of moisture barrier right up under there, right where one of these is gonna go. Anybody want any cooking oil? Alright. I want to get a nice scissors out. I'm gonna have to take my sort my bag here eventually. Get some. That's it. Those are all wet. Let's see. Doesn't look like that big of a piece. It's like a, let me see this. Maybe a 24 by 24 area up there. I need the staple gun. I'll take forever. My knife. Jesus. No. Whew. All right. Okay. Take those anyway. Contoured around that section up there. Still we're getting out there. Let's see. Let's go up here. Get your first one done. Oh, yeah. Get one more. I want to get one more piece. Gotta slide under that. Slide under here. Fine, before I get it down. Heck of a dip right here. No idea why. But I'm far across. Go here. Right there. that'll get the ridge under there anyway. And then go all the way over, doesn't it? So just give me. Get that done. I don't know why that's so bad right there. Beyond me. Skies stay that way. Are you happy? Peace. Looks good to me. No crappy piece, huh? Don't want to be done over there. Man, look how that dips. I may have to put a freaking small piece across there just to even that out. What you got to deal with the landscape. Do what you got to do. See, if I was going to do this in metal, I may do that eventually. As soon as this rots out, I may go ahead and do this in metal. I just rolled sheeting. That worked rather well. Yep, I like that. Okay. Okay, good. Alright. Of course, I gotta go under it. So. Dun, dun. Ow. My fingers in there. Wow. What are you in? Bent my nail. Okay, good and solid. One more. I hope I didn't hit the nail on it either. Alright. Nice and solid. Big dip in it. Dip. Alright. You are set over here. Settle with me. Let's move the other way. I'll be able to get on the roof. Oh, yeah. Alright. Do you. Go bye-bye. Man. Goodbye. Yeah. Alright. Sail. So bye-bye. Bye. Alright. I'm gonna take the ladder over as far as I can. Oh, so when you want the tarp to go bye-bye, it wants to hang around. All right. Give me my hanging rope. We're good there. Let's see. Oh, definitely want my staple gun. Put that in here, didn't I? My locker. There you go. I'm gonna run down. Hey kids. Pinches. Bear Bear. Run down, make sure I got enough staples in here. Hate to get up there and have one, you know? Bam! One staple. Yeah.